let us see how do plants utilize the food they make. So here through photosynthesis they prepare food. So that food how the plants will use. First what it will do, all that food it will convert this food in the form of sugar. It will convert the food in the form of sugar called glucose. From where they from the minerals, water, from the carbon dioxide they prepare the food. So that food it will store in the form of sugar, that is called glucose. That is called glucose. Okay. So where all the foods will be? Veins, stem. So the glucose is carried to all parts of the plants. In all parts of the plants the glucose will be there. Okay. Some glucose, some sugar the plant will use because for survival. Because to survive the plant will use the sugar. Okay. And the remaining sugar is converted into starch. So stored within the plant, it will stored within the plant. Some glucose the plant will use because to survive, and some remaining sugar or glucose stored within the plants. So where they will store? It will store in the part of leaf, stem, roots, fruits, seeds. Now let us see with our practical example. Lettuce is one of the example of leaf. So in this leaf also we can able to find sugar, glucose, and sugar cane. Sugar cane is the stem. Here also we can find sugar in this sugar cane. So this is a stem. Root. So in root, example carrot. So if we bite carrot, sugar is there. So that is prepared by the plant. So it will send it to all the part. Then fruit. Fruit means banana. Banana also we can able to see the taste sugar. Then seeds. Pea. Okay, green pea. So there also we can find its glucose. So this is the way the plant will utilize the food and also given to us in the form of leaf, stem, root, fruit, seeds. So this is the functions of plants. Okay children. Topic transpiration. Transpiration means loss of water in the plant. So how the loss of water will be compensate? So the loss of water in the form of water vapor. So the stomata only will help the plant, keeping the plant cool. Okay. So what the root will do? The root will absorb the water from the soil to all parts of the plant. Okay. So while the root is absorbing the water from the soil and also some important nutrients also it will absorb. Some important nutrients also it will absorb and it will send it to all other parts of the plant through stomata and roots. Clear students? So this is called transpiration. Transpiration means water loss. Clear? Then the last topic, how are plants useful to us? Really plants only useful to us. As we are human being, we are not useful to plants. Yes. See what are all the uses of plants. Vegetables, fruits, from the plants we can get cereals and pulses. Cotton plant we can get the cotton cloth, and coconut we can get the coconut oil and jute bag. From the pine tree we can get furniture, and from the bamboo tree, from the bamboo plant we can get paper. See, bamboo plant is tallest of all grasses. So from this bamboo plant we can make huts, baskets, mats and brooms. So these are all the uses of plants, and also some other uses are there. From the flowers we can get perfumes, yes, jasmine, rose. So we can get different varieties of perfumes from the flowers also. Okay children, I hope you understand this full chapter, plants in the surroundings and environment. So we learned about what are all the plants in our surroundings, functions and the uses. Okay children, thank you.